Hi guys, welcome to channel Phonefix and Baby. We have heard a lot of discussion about T420D soldering station, and people always compared it with the AIXUN T420 and T245. And we all know the soldering station is a two-channel soldering station. It always comes with two stations and two handles. You can use it with T245 and T210 T115 handle. And it also comes with two brackets. You can hold the handle with the bracket and the clip. The only difference among the three soldering stations besides those features. And in this video we will install and operate the soldering station, and you can check the difference among the three soldering stations. Now let's get started. Now let's unbox it. Here is all T420D soldering station accessories, including two handles and its host, two soldering stations holder and two wire holder, 6 tips, and those wire to collect it together. Now we will install it. First step, let's connect the pen holder to the host. It collect together, and then the ground one. Then install the pen holder to the station. It's a movie. Then install the handle. The bracket can hold the handle. The last step, connect the power supply. Now all the accessory has installed, and the host has connected to the two station, and the two station connect to the two handles and its bracket. The last step is install it to connect it to power supply. Now let's install the tips on this two soldering iron. this T245 tips. And C210. Fasten the tip on this station. You can also use it to replace the tips. We have provided the 6 tips. Now turn on the switch. There are 2 handles has displayed in 2 channels. When the solder linear replaced their station, the temperature will raise up. It shows it has risen up, and now the temperature has reached 350. The power is 3%. There's 3 channels. You can change the group. When I put it on the station, the temperature will be back to its centered the temperature. Then the C210. When the handle relieves the station, the temperature will raise up. And there also shows on this display the power at 2/3 group. Now the temperature has raised down. Now about the display setting. Through the center button, now we'll display its settings. And you can turn its language into English. Language. Now it has turned it to English. And about sound, you can turn off the sound. Close. The stop time, the system information. This is a system. Beside, you can set the temperature group, and you can see the graphy and the domicile. About the temperature, there you can exchange the unit, hour, and compasset. The 3rd group. The first number is 218 and 2 is 350 and the level 3 is 380. About domicile, you can set the delay time as sleep time here. On or off. And you can also check the graph. It has shows the handle of T210 on the left. Now let's mount the tip with the T420D. You can also clean the tip through the bowl. Inside it has a bruise bowl. In this video, we have showed how to use a T420D soldering station as a 2-channel soldering station. It comes with 2 station holder and 2 handles. This is a T245 and this is a T210. And it also comes with 6 tips, so you can install and replace the different tips on its station. Compare with AIXUN T3A and T3B, it has 2 brackets and 2 clips to hold the handle, so it's more practical for your phone repair and do other soldering work.